Dear students, we are now reading about the second chapter, parts of a computer. In this lesson, we will learn about different parts of a computer, the uses of main parts of a computer. So, we will learn about different parts of the computer. You know, computer has monitor, keyboard, mouse, etc. Okay, all these make the computer. Okay, not one, everything make the computer system. We call this together means to all these devices together we call computer system. Then we will learn about a machine with many parts, that I told. Okay, like we human being have hands, legs, face, heart, lungs, brain, etc. And they have different functions, and they all work and together our body work. So like that in computer different parts they work individually, and then so computer system also works, means one part works, so the whole system, computer systems, that also works as a group. Okay, what we do, like in the computer monitor, we watch cartoons on the monitor, and the CPU case there, that is the brain of the computer, that does the work of like our brain. Then keyboard we type through the keyboard. The keyboard helps us to type. Then mouse, what for it is, how it helps us to draw the pictures. Okay, so here is in the book there is a small poem. I am a computer, a mighty machine. All my parts work best when clean. I sit smart for day till night, computing everything in sight. So computer computes everything, and we should keep the parts clean. Okay, and it's a mighty machine. Okay, so there are some questions also in the chapter. Let's discuss. Let's say yes or no, some quick assessment. The monitor looks like a screen. Yes, the answer yes. The computer helps us to type. Okay, that is also answer yes. Avni and Yas watch movies on the computer. You also watch movies. Yes. The parts of a computer helps it to see, smell, taste, touch, and hear. No, it's wrong. Computer parts, how they will help you to see, smell. Okay, that is the no. We can draw pictures on the computer. That is true. That is yes. So then we'll see about monitor. Okay, individually we'll see what they what they do. Okay, computer monitor looks like a screen, our screen. Okay, what we do there, we see text, we see pictures, we see movies, etc. all we see, and also what we type, what we draw, what all come in the screen on the monitor. Okay, then television screen and monitor, they look same, yes or no? They look same. Okay, and monitor has another name, you know, that is monitor has a name called visual display unit. Okay, then we'll discuss about keyboard. What keyboard means? It has keys. Okay, different types of keys it has. What are the keys? Letter keys, letters are there, numbers are there, number keys, and some special keys are also there, and space bar is also there, enter key is there, space bar, the longest key you will see, that is the space bar. Okay, then through the keyboard we type, we give instructions to the computer. Okay, there is another small poem in your chapter. Type with great ease. The keyboard has just handy keys, so we have to type, and that is also easily. Okay, and we'll use the keys of the keyboard, that is very handy, very easily we can type. Okay, and something is given to color your keys. You can color different keys of your keyboard on a sheet of paper, you can color. Okay, then comes the mouse. It looks like mouse. Okay, where is it? Its tail just looks like that. Okay, but what it does, it helps us to select. Okay, and it has buttons on top. Okay, what we do with the buttons, we press the buttons. Okay, and by dragging, by using the buttons, we can draw pictures. Okay, and you know, the first computer mouse, when it was invented, by whom? It was invented by Douglas Engelbart. When? 1964 it was developed, it was invented. Okay, now next thing is the CPU. Full form, you know, central processing unit. Okay, it is the brain of the computer, CPU. Okay, like we have brain in the computer, CPU is the brain. Okay, and here, because all the tasks are done here. Okay, then where it is kept? It is kept inside the CPU box. That mostly that black box you have seen, no? There it is placed. Okay, and everybody, all are attached to that box. Our keyboard, mouse, monitor, all are connected to the CPU case, CPU box, as well as they are connected internally to the CPU. Okay, and also the power cables, all the power cables are also connected. okay, and connected to the power cable are connected to the CPU. CPU from the CPU power cable goes to the power supply. Power supply means what? From where we give switch on, switch off. Okay, from that wire is coming and going to that CPU case. So CPU is inside the CPU case. Okay, so we discussed keyboard, okay, mouse, monitor and CPU, but other parts of the computers are also there, like other parts, so many other parts, so many other things also used, like printer. Printer you must have seen. Okay, we take out printout. Printout means what? Something, suppose we are printing, that is in a paper, that is the printout. That is also, that paper is also called the hard copy. Okay, because what is inside the computer or what we see on the screen, that is their soft copy. Okay, and what is we see, that is the means on the what is printed, that is the hard copy. And the hard copy we can take the printout in black and white and also in color, yes or no? In color also we take the printout. Okay, and so you must have seen also the ticket, railway ticket, that is how it is coming in the, how it is printed out, that is a printout. Okay, coming from the printer of the printer. Okay, and now we will discuss about the scanner. Acha, the scanner, what it does is it copies text, okay, and images from our paper. Suppose we have drawn something and we want to take it to the computer, so you use the scanner. Okay, like other parts are connected to the CPU, it is also connected to the CPU through a cable. And if you want to take the picture of anything, you have to place that picture on the scanner glass. Scanner has a glass, on top of it we will put, and then we can take the picture to the computer and can store in the computer. Then microphone, you know, it records our voice and our voice is stored in the computer. Okay, and also we can talk to anybody in the microphone. We know we are using in the internet, we can talk. We are also, then another thing is the another device is speakers and headphones. Speakers you will find box like small box. Okay, but headphone, one thing it is, you have to put in the head. You will use these devices to listen what? To listen music and music. Okay, and also to talk. We use them for chatting with our friends, and when we talk in the internet. Okay, then also these devices are connected to the CPU case. Okay, like all devices are connected. Now we have another device, that is UPS. You know what is the full form of UPS? UPS full form is the uninterrupted power supply. Uninterrupted means it will continue, no stoppage. Okay. So computer, suppose power power is off, it will keep the computer on for some time. Okay, electricity, after electricity also is gone, it can also keep the machine on. Okay, it is also connected to the CPU. Okay, so power supply, main power supply to UPS, then UPS to CPU. Okay, this is the connection, and other cables are from the other cables are joined to the CPU case. Another poem, small poem. Okay, without electricity, all my data is gone. If only I could have a UPS, it would keep the computer on. So if you will not keep your UPS, then your data may be lost. Okay. Now CD-ROM. CD-ROM, it is read-only memory, compact disk, read-only memory. Okay, and just it looks like the ordinary CD. Okay, and it stores everything, song, video, text, everything. Okay, and we can play it. What? The CD can be played through CD drive. There is a CD drive. Inside that we have to put the CD. Then we can play it. Right? Okay. What then we learned? Now, what did we learn? We learn a computer looks like a television. A monitor looks like a television screen. It has keyboard to type. Okay, and those things will go to the computer. Mouse will saw. That is a mouse is a pointing device. You know, it helps us to take our cursor to point anywhere. Then we learn about CPU, that is the brain of the computer. Then we saw about a printer, how it prints, scanner, how it copies the text and images. Then we learned about microphone, how it records our voice, speakers, how it helps us to hear sound. Then UPS also I learned, uninterrupted power supply. Then CD-ROM we learned, CD-ROM, how it stores lot of data. Okay, it has. Okay, so all this we discussed. Okay, so you will read, you will listen this video again and again, and you will ask also doubt. Okay, thank you.